Hi guys, Mike out here from Remax Experts, Zolan & Associates. Welcome here today to our latest listing at 10 Barn Isle Way in Kleinburg, Ontario. This beautiful two-story detached home is situated on one of the most sought-after streets in the neighborhood, and we're featuring 3 fantastic bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We have 9-foot ceilings on the main floor and on the second floor. We have a fully landscaped lot. We have interlock in the front. We have a 400 square foot composite patio in the back, which is great for entertaining friends and family in the summer months. Looking inside, we have a beautiful open concept living space with a large kitchen, large island, and best part of all, there's high-end finishes throughout this whole property. Why don't you guys have a look inside?